Pennsylvania, northern Clarion County in west central Pennsylvania, western Forest County in northwestern Pennsylvania, until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 4:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 9 miles north of Tionesta to 6 miles southeast of Kinsman, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles if possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Hermitage, Sharon, Oil City, Grove City, Franklin, Clarion, Sharpsville, Knox, Greenville, Cigar Creek, Farrell, Tionesta, Mercer, Hassan Heights, Stoneboro, Seneca, West Middlesex, Polk, Sandy Lake, and Clark. This includes the following highways: Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 111 and 138. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 60. Interstate 376 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 0 and 3. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Mercer and Venango.
Doubleheader? Doubleheader!
Pennsylvania, Lawrence, and Mercer. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 108, effective until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 108 has been issued until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: Carroll, Columbiana, Mahoning, Portage, Stark, and Trumbull, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Lawrence and Mercer.
Imagine triple header.
This is NOAA Weather Radio.